Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable erase highlighter only on the Jnotes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the home screen. Click to the settings button, and in the function settings section you can find the erase highlighter only. The eraser erases only the highlighter and writing. Actually I don't use this function, but if you want to enable, just click to the next white circle, and if it will be turned yellow, this function will be enabled, so you can use that. If you want to turn off, click that again, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.